Yabompai. I want if we never and the Christ. One way you can question the Akasia, one saying in Ara in your chief. Yapesi Munti and Yabanasi, nay, himself none watching for my Christ, ye was a move. Master some compromise, yes. And I watch him yet many in a so ya brabo. Na 70 ya this year. To me be or sorry or muscle was him teal. In himself, water than or that if near them were aid in true or that way to money. Say, Brad, any young born, na some kind of better one day mountain. Now, all my women who quite your quite time. Said the baby said, Drew, not yet been getting anyhow, and you come upon Chudo at your will so. Said the way I would not check for a what do. And now I am watching what they think. Pam to be do 43 abrabo. Then you wouldn't be away. Yan Yasum was it. Now 70, baby, I befer Biarano. That's free. Jesus Christ, Nazareth, and demon here, Bombay. I don't see. Amen. Amen. Interesting. I was here just someone, and I was to be an just and they say faith, hope, and charity. Faith, hope, and charity. GDA, and that's all. Any idea? I don't want 7 about 7 1 channel. Now, they can't say no. If we go to 4, a woman be a tosso, be no. It's really to me and son. Ye more to me and son. A woman or TV Paul, Troy, Edicoma, a current 4. I feel you can't say, go to 4. Go to know. Your mind. The maybe Mr. Wahanum said, and he come for no, and sorry no what to you. Yes, Christo, we are no sorry for no cost. And what for your son and Christo so chassis. That is also chassis one till. He said, a small for no, only apostles no. Sans a column for no baba, no mechanic upon just and you pay me here. No more what depending no much sheer. No more did you ma say Afokoremanpo, sorry. And the church of Afokoremanpo. No more your home participate or participate the Ombako Bremai, Ombako Swami. And the Crobia, Ombatia son was to be only prodigy and next was on this. The Canadian, any Pentecost, any Baptist, any Catholic, any Methodist, any Presby, any Zion, not your war in Crobia and Nassau. Do you have one train one? What did you command Ephesus 4? What did you command Thessalonica 4? What did you command Corinth 4? The woman or train a beyond the baby or the quiet said, a horn and not to zone. And then the focus no, Asafua, now a war current. Bible just said the local church and our current no. Now, more serious trouble. The local church in Corinth was in serious trouble. You come serious trouble. Now, for no more Corinth, no more we now, it's sad to say, the problems now as a no el problem not did not stay within the church family, but problem no Bible now they were known by the unbelievers outside the church. And you man there was Corinth as a phenomenon. Name near Corinth for no more giving for the name. Make one second, living fountain Baptist Church as a fee, and Pupon Fasamba. Nabi Bonnie be a cost was a phenomenon. It's a second, Sahano ever cast a phenomenon. Now at Treco, 1 year, 7 years Islam for or what you say, as Safway particular Safweno, and someone say, and the cost was a phenomenon. Sana Corinth as a forest ye. Boni ana kwaso asafuni mono anka asafuni kwa mu Bible say wana wanyi ni na onimu. Enti to begin with, sa church at Corinth no Bible exercise na asafono And you may have one in your man, you put in, and your man, and to begin with, all your man, there was a serious problem. No, now my church, I defy church. And you rejected. As a phone affair, and in the end, also, can you go to the community? No, and in the end, no, maybe. Because as a phone members, no, not they were guilty of sexual offense and immorality. They were guilty of sexual immorality. Sometimes, which and then also, I was trying to be. There are so many pastors, professors, all these answers fully be, and for all who show, I will never go far from prison. Altar. These are the things that never cause our current. It is some members, Bible say, not only are guilty of sexual immorality, others also got drunk. He was so new one, not only saw them, no mapo. Quite probably for the Ram, get no money for them, and nobody has a meeting. And to a profitable. I saw the marble. And it's that same someone didn't even pass that for them. Your prophets be all one. So many people don't want to say, this will change. And sad to say, and or suffer be on TV so. Now we interview suffer one. Now suffer the same. Sapo and Sunday and your money. Look, and your money. Not all refer to people be on which American lottery. Some people who want to be for American lottery can use. I will never do that. Because I didn't hear that. And yes, can see home. What I want this one. Cha. And what do you mean? Oh, I don't bra. I was a nipper, Jessica, and Chelsea. Now I am not quite just a one. When you want to make many on your many more, don't know. It's because meaning so preaching with this Sunday, church members be made offering. Because the name partner baby are sleeping here. They won't die here. Yatra. Also, for this is your money. So, you're the one, that's what Chevia and from Sobel was for. Never so for someone no, not the Brodia, any time. Why now? One and then you come over there. What actually is a water? To say, be preaching today. What I'm going to check and the water. Conformity and separate more. And yet, conformity the accident, sir. I was what I just said, we are. So what is so you red-handed? And you're the over there to swap a Mate Amen. Now I refer Bible, no they call Paul. Catch the Nebati would say we are fluency, young no Sakaka. And I mean perfect I mean young go we are for you. The next is no way Timothy. We are Paul. Why would you have way? Catch the also maybe who need them out? I want to say only out. Who are Timothy, boy, Paul? What did for Paul? Tell the animal, what did for Timothy? Tell the animal, let go. Oh, now in the contest, when you want to get your Paul cancer, Timothy. I'm free of what they eat Proverbs. Say, I'm fans at the money was saying. And then they want to come because or justify. This is one on one walk. And I got here, go here, go here, go must you not there. When you do it, God means some folk of it. After that, it's not to get him. I can one year, until you was it. One moment, did you have to be, but wasn't on me. So, Corinth was a fellow. Bible say, not a minimum, any mother, a minimum so, animal son. Now, a minimum so, using the grace of God to excuse worldly living. Nyankopɔn to much idea what your man. There are people who don't know what you say. She ain't no more than you don't know what I am on. It's not because I am prophecy, I am very careful. You won't be going on your common subject. Because of that, this is the prayer, and explain. Catch on your lamenta. We give for the art to say lamenta. And I said perfume. I did be a spray. Say perfume, you all the same one. Say, Abraham was a bone. Who tried with public energy? Amen. Say spray the go home say mo. Say mo. When you chemu pe. You go home. Adentia. Ya chuma we ya chuma e call attention. Tell me any present. You are going to change it. Be appreciated because many of us here will give for Namwa. No security 24/7. They said to me, some years missing your bente and not here. In German, they be no day of friend and any business. Because of what you can say, the hosts are all to say. Me faka ko chema safo ba woni sika ototo popo na se popo no ka ne se we le sika dia kwato pass ton fama safo ba ne fanya di ma me ton fama safo ba ne fanya di mo no na bi ni na e popo ntimi store ka ne ba de ma ne 100 million kura obesa shi sika dia kwato popo. That's it. Some are using the grace of God to execute what they live in. Yet I'm not to know I business. And now with me that I was not cassette. Also we are a soft. And some of us are not removed. We sometimes material. Now you will say you will see your wife for the Brian. Ah, Milan and Sunny so come another Milan. So and you will add them. Me and you will sound. Me wunu saa ba me hu adwuma we say adwuma eyo black papa na nya wona fam na awade ne wonyam se e bia beda bia too much na bom da chi bia woni wi ase ha na wo ba ko nyame nchen na awade beka che se mo akwapa no kwafo se wodi no kwati be to me. That is my expectation. Because you want to feel what you watch your dear friends at Bawa Moa. This is a what she are working to grow. So, I'm going to be near Casa. The shortest way, or the moment we get anywhere. And so, the minister of God. And not ever when you go pointing who I can see what the person will be able. If you have a class, I was saying, why I made for friend where a meeting will be behind the Netimitica. Make drink more as you could give bar. Now, let me and yes, yes, I was some of me 6 months, 7% for the Papa will say, what did now? You are doing now. Yes, you're ready. I'm not being in the lab. And so to be very careful about the gift. When you go for their mommy, anyhow, I'm saying you will bring the gifted. Because me, you see, when you go for the not to more dear domain, let me find a security at the way to the mountain army. Do you do what you Paul, yes, say, current as a phono, not a divided church, not as a phono, watch at 9. The Bible for 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verse 12. The church was a divided church with at least 4 different groups competing leadership. You read the book, kind?
And he said, Mumu biara e kan say, me die,
Paul say, you will be a can say.
Me die, me wo Paul afa.
Number 1, you Paul afa.
And I say, me die, me wo Apollo afa.
2, Apollo.
And I say, me die, me wo Kefa afa.
3, Kefa.
And I said, me die, me wo Christo afa.
4, Christo. So, church now, a walk current no. Bible's not a much as saying, and 9. Now, young Fasad Chemuno, Emperor Living Fountain Baptist Church as a winning definition. Now, I want to go to the church in the United. They are Babuni. So, there's a church here united. And I say divided. Who be able to say just a foot here, Bako? And what you want to say? What? I told you. I am a cook of Papa, me put a yam and it's just solid. And if I be here, but I pa, and it's what you know. You have put the mommy, our living fountain Baptist church. As a fear, the Dibesia means.